Hey guys, Dim here, back with another Airsoft video. This time it's a little bit of a fun one. So it was at lunchtime at Maddog Airsoft, and myself, Septic Airsoft, and our friend John decided to have a free-for-all pistol game. So it's literally just three of us starting at different points of the site, and we have to try and kill each other. And here's how it went, and it was best out of three.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Oh, hit!
Suck it, bitch! Come on, John. I can wait all day, man.
Count to 15 and you guys have to start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ah!
One kill, winner. Loser.
Did he get hit? Ah! Spence, I bet you shit yourself on that one. Basically, because it's best of 3, if I win or John wins, one of us yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, headshot! Fucking lovely shot, John! Ah! Oh.
Fuck. I don't know. Who, I did?
Yeah. That means John's the winner.
That was intense. You got him so quick.
That's got to be a fucking video in itself, man. Woo!
That wraps this video up, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see any other kind of gameplay like this, more free-for-all kind of fun stuff, or if you just want to see my regular gameplay. I personally had a blast playing this alongside Septic Airsoft and our buddy John, and I'm looking to do more, maybe with some shotguns or some challenges like scouts and knives from like CSGO. But let me know in the comments below.